Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to join an alliance on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this Alliance button that you can find down below on the right side below the More button. Here you can see the benefits of being in an alliance, and when you have read this brief text, tap on the Join button at the bottom of the screen if you would like to join an alliance. Here you can see the available alliance, and then click on the Apply button on the right side. This is this green button. As you can see, you have applied, so now you should wait. Here you can see you should wait for your application to be reviewed and accepted, and then you can start playing with your alliance. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.